Good morning. Okay, so first night in the van officially. Okay, so we're missing a toilet and water facilities, and we have to walk over there, you know,
to go and do both,
to brush your teeth and stuff. And I'm comfy. I don't want to go out. Anyway, this is my reality. I wake up and I think about the van build. Okay, it's just a first class problem here for me. So this is our first official day at Camp Creator, and today we're gonna spend the day walking around and hopefully catching up with everybody and meeting new people and just seeing what's what. Let's go and
get the morning started.
Yeah, do the jeez, whoa. Do the camping thing of walking in your sleepy, drunken sort of state to the bathroom. I think take a hairbrush. I don't think it's that bad. I'm not wearing my glasses though. I can't actually see. Where are my glasses? Never mind. Let's go. Butterflies are easy, birds are harder. I mean, simple shaped butterflies, meaning. I don't know, should we write something on the other side?
Yeah.
What do you want to write?
We need a quote. What's a good quote?
A quote? Can't we just say hi?
Excellent.
There you go. Okay, I should wash my hands now.
That looked lovely.
Cool.
With the ivy as well.
Yeah, the ivy helps it, I think.
Yes. And do you like our potted plant gathering sun finally?
Still keeping it alive, but I think it needs some water. Poor thing.
That's fine.
Stuck with us.
Alright, let's go meet some people. She will. They'll jump back.
Should I be jealous?
Yes.
Sit.
Go.
Sit.
You're most welcome. That's the way I wanted to read.
Puppy love at its finest.
She's been unmanned.
Yeah, with every single male dog.
Oh, she's a slag. She's an out and out floozy. He's a proper just little chunky. If I was going to be a dog, that'd be me.
Yeah.
What, puppy?
Tan. Not white.
Go on, man.
Order was it flat?
Go on.
So
Oh no,
go?
this is content for their show.
That you're all going to be doing it.
What's go?
Yeah.
Them things underneath your waistline. Once it gets going, just pedal gently and let the motor do the work. When it kicks in, the smile will happen.
Oh, still he's having it, isn't he? He's getting find your battery out now. Great if you want to just. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Outside, there's a little stand there.
I'm not much of a bike person, but
But you liked it.
I liked it.
Water. You hungry?
Yeah, I am.
Think we should eat something?
Yeah, I don't need to cook, just something.
I don't know
Snack.
the grapes.
They're definitely not up in that snack box with the apples and the. Are they off?
Okay, Sam, what are you doing?
So we've got a giant spanner from Quartz and Meats. Thank you very much.
No worries.
We're going to try and fix our minor leak that we have down here. Did you have that other spanner?
I do, yes.
Cool.
We'll see if that's going to do the job.
We
You're welcome
hold
to go have a look, by the way.
Literally, we've got the same heat exchanger as you as well.
the
Underneath
pizza.
there.
That's what he wants to come into.
You're welcome.
That's all right. Where's our the holding wrench thing?
I don't know. Where did you put it?
I don't know.
I love that you're the same as us. I'm like, where's this thing?
I got it.
Easy for you.
Ollie, I'm going to need you to hold this up and film at the same time.
Great. I'm excited at the prospect of having to hold and film at the same time.
I can hold something if you like.
Would you like to film?
Film.
I mean,
We
you might
trust
regret
you.
that later. Have you seen our YouTube videos?
See the few.
Hold it roughly there and try and get my hair out of the way.
Okay.
Yeah, if you lift that up.
Okay, so I'm supporting the heat exchanger so we have more motion.
Let's see if this will... Oh, that's tightening.
Oh, good.
Right.
Did it work?
I think so.
Please tell me it worked.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Let's see if that stops the leak.
You should turn the tissue over so we can see if there's any
Oh, that's
new...
a good idea. Although it might have. Oh, it's soaked through.
So I'll do a different area. There we go.
Excellent.
Come back to it in a day or two and see if that's leaked.
How long are you here?
Not sure if we'll see the end result, but we'll see it on YouTube if not.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Oh, hello.
Hi. Don't mind
made
me, I'm
yourself a
just...
tool.
Yeah.
Well, it worked.
Yeah?
Oh, that's the first tool we've ever lent to someone. I feel like everyone else is usually like, oh, we'll help, and we're like, we don't have anything.
Yeah.
So.
That saved us a trip.
So, who's orange like the favorite color of?
Didi's favourite colour. Yeah, it's probably my favourite colour. But
Did
then
you
when we got the orange van, then we just went like whole
Did you
hog.
set out for an orange van, or did you just...
No, we just
like,
set
yep.
out for a coloured van, I think. We just
Oh,
liked
you just
something
found an orange
different.
van?
And then we found an orange van, we were like, okay, that's the colour. And then it just spiralled from there, really. We just
Nice.
got...
You just took it and ran with
everything
it.
just became orange, and now we're going to a shop and we're like, does that come in orange? Or, oh, okay, no, we're fine.
What shade of orange? Just go outside. That.
Alright, so we're having a lovely time today. Yeah, so we just spent a good few hours maybe. I lost track with Quartz and Meeks and filmed some nice videos with them. So hopefully you'll see those on their channel. So go check out their channel. They're really, really great. It's the Orange channel. And by the way, solar panels are doing great. You know, it's so sunny, we can keep, you know, chargers and the fan on, and everything is just kind of running, and no problem with the batteries at all. Like usually they're just full, and the solar panels have nothing to do. Well, of course they're doing something because they're keeping things charged, but like the readers don't show anything. So that's pretty good.
Curious, what made you convert a van in the first place?
My normal job, which is working as an expedition leader,
Yeah.
I spend 6 months of the year away overseas. And in the winter, I would be, I'd have a bit of the house, but then if I was off doing guiding work in the mountains in Scotland, I'd go off in my van the night before, so I could sleep in the car park and then meet the clients the following day.
Yeah.
And then it just sort of made sort of sense with a lot of change in personal circumstances that actually I really kind of do want to build a van, and it just makes financial sense that I could carry on doing the job I love and actually keep a far higher chunk of the money
Yeah.
that I'm earning on it,
Yeah,
because it's
so-
not going on like hundreds of pounds per month on bills.
A lot of people who are here, we've kind of maybe heard their names, seen a couple of videos, a couple of posts, but because of everything that's happened in the past year and a half, no one's really kind of done any meetups or anything. So a lot of the people, it's like, I know you, but I don't know you. I know you, but I've not seen you. And you know me, but you've never seen me. It's a
You've
weird
seen
di-
me on video,
But
maybe.
you've seen me on video or on a post or commented, and we've chatted online, you know, as text form. It's quite a weird dynamic. I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about, but yeah, weird dynamic. I'm gonna go and chill in my hanging chair. Excellent.
Right, the days are going on. This is going to be a very weird vlog. I think it's going to be one vlog. Spans over, 4 days and such.
If we don't use this as like a sales counter or something within the van's life, I think, yeah.
The kick is that we don't have the sun cream to stop the sunburn, but we do have the cream to then put on the burnt parts. Whatever.
Do we have the spray to stop things biting us?
Nope, but we do have the cream for the bites afterwards. Anyway.
Well prepared, I would call it.
Well, from one side we are, from the other one, no. Anyway, let me just tidy up a little bit.
Chips.
Ooh, excellent. Smell really nice.
Yeah, they're like proper chips as well. Look at those.
Ooh. So this is for me, and this is for me.
And what's for me? Because
Well,
I went to go and get them.
You picked the pepper bag.
Carry on.
If I make the hole any bigger, it's just gonna spill in the entire contents of my chips.
So instead you look like a buffoon.
Buffoon? Buffoon?
It's a buffoon that doesn't get pepper all over your chips.
Ha.
A year and a half.
Just spent the past hour saying goodbye to everybody going around the field, people wanting to get a final look of the chair, got it. So
I must say the chair has been the hit of the van.
this is the best chair. I'm so happy the way it turned out. And the bar managed to hold everybody. It didn't fail even once. So yeah,
Good engineering.
good engineering. So we have to be off, and a huge thank you to everybody who put on this event. It has been incredible, the organization, the mood, it was so relaxing and amazing. The stickers, thank you. It was great. Yeah, so we're off back to the van build, and hopefully you see some more travel vlogs really soon, as soon as we build the toilet and the desk. Oh, but first, there are a few things that we haven't released yet in terms of the couch. You haven't seen how that happened.
Voila.
Yeah. Also, the heating, spoiler, it's working, okay? You're gonna have to see all the drama around it, but it's working, okay? So yeah, all that is to come. So yeah, see you next time.